So now I'm on the Z900, Funny is on the Z650. So let's go. The sitting posture is absolute murder na bhai. So low and already feels so light. Oh gads. Holy fucking shit. रोजे में हूँ, गालियाँ भी नहीं दे सकता हूँ ज़्यादा. Fuck, this thing is insane. I mean, it's an entirely different feeling bike if you compare it to the Z800. The Z800 is heavy, lot heavy. You sit higher and ऐसा बगल में फोड़े हो गए जैसा थोड़ा ऐसा यूँ बगल में उठा लेके बैठना पड़ता. If you're a short rider, it's not at all friendly for you. But this, my oh my, the sitting posture is lovely. You can tour on it. You can. Fuck, so मजाक के था पकड़ रही है ना. The Z800 does make you feel a little bit that, you know, आप बाइक पे बैठे हुए, बाइक आपको ले जा रही है, but this thing you just moving with the bike, you know. मेरे इमोशन नहीं समझ रहे यार आप. इमोशन को हम वीडियो में कैसे बताएं? तो यप, improvements over the Z800. Braking, yep, because of the lighter weight, it's pretty very light when you compare it to the Z800, and that feels when braking, when tipping it into corners, when cutting through traffic, it does feel lovely. And I really love the sound. They've silenced it because of the BS4 norms, the Euro 4 norms, but it has this kind of turbo whistle to it. Sweet. क्या बात है भाई. Very smooth and refined, man. This is actually a worthy upgrade from my ER6N. The brakes were good on the Z800, never a problem, but on this they're a lot better because of the lower weight. The Z800 had a big problem of a, you know, higher weight and also taller seat height. Little wheelie there. This thing is made for stunts and wheelies. It will go like hell. Jaldi le le tum bhai main. Ah man, this is lovely. This is fun. This is something I can look forward to. You know, the 800's always biggest problem was the handling when you compared it to the Street Triple and the other street nakeds out there. It was a bit heavy, but this feels a lot more better engineered and, you know, more focused towards street use. The gear ratios are lovely on this. The 800 से अच्छे gear ratios है इसके. It's so nimble, man, so nimble, and you just flick the throttle, it just pulls right from 3,000-4,000 RPM all the way up. Oh gads, loving it. So yeah, what I like about the bike, almost everything. Braking is excellent. This instrument cluster, it's crazy. It's like a Hobage, the old 650s YC shape hai, kind of. And the sitting posture, lovely, man, especially for short people. I think taller people might have a little problem, but for shorter people, it's lovely. I mean, मेरे दोनों पैरां टिक रहे हैं, and you know, even the way I'm sitting, it's not stressing much on my back and hands. Even better posture than the Z650. To be very careful when you're pulling this bike. It's fucking fast. It's absolutely crazy, man. But it feels very nimble and controllable because of the braking and the tires and the equipment given. क्या है भाई? Finding it very hard to think of something I don't like about this motorcycle. I think apart from the looks, yeah, the looks could have been done a bit better. Again, this looks way smaller than the Z800, and again the same complaint I have. It's done to save weight and blah 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 blah, but that results in a bike that looks actually smaller. Utta street road presence nahi hai iska, matlab unless you put a visor on it and some detailing and blah blah blah, it's not really gonna stand out that much like the Z800 did with their Sugomi philosophy. This thing toned down Sugomi hai, you know. Funny kahan gaya bhai? Kudos if you think Funny should be a street racer. Thumbs up if you think Funny should be a street racer. I like that turbo sound, man. Loving it, loving it. This thing climbs speeds like nobody's business and drops speeds like nobody's business. What I don't like, again, the pricing is quite high compared to the Z800, and there are certain accessories which are you have to buy compulsorily, you can't opt out of them. But yeah, if pata nahi showroom wale setting kar rahe to kya hai ki we can, that's gonna drop the price a significant bit. Apart from that, the looks, not really anything I can think of. It's pretty nimble and usable and quite a sexy upgrade over even the Z800, I'd say. It feels like an entirely different and lovely bike. We are here, but where is Funny? I thought Funny was ahead of us. That's about it for my first impressions, and we'll be doing a entire full review once one of my friends, the thing is, because there's a lot of demand, a lot of people coming in for test rides, so we can't really take the bikes out for long, even though it's my friend's showroom. So once that's done, maybe we'll take it out for a longer ride to highway or something. I really love the trippy suspension on this, man. Fuck, lovely handling, lovely handling. One thing, it looks a bit smaller, but fuck, it handles. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.